Hello everybody, today we are going to make capsicum stuffed with multigrain and potato curry. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of rava and pour it in a cooker and 2 cups of water to add it to it and add half spoon of salt or as per taste. Cook on low flame. Take a medium sized kadai on low flame and pour 2 spoons of oil in it. Now add tadka to it, that is jeera and mustard seeds. Let the seeds get splitted and then add onions to it. Now add the onions. Now add diced up chilies to it. I took 3 chilies and diced it up for this curry. And I took 1 onion and diced it up. Now let the onions get brownish in color and then add ginger garlic paste to it. Now the onions have got its brownish color, so you can add the ginger garlic paste to it. Now mix it. Now add salt and turmeric for your taste. Now mix it. Now add tomatoes to it. I took 1 tomato and diced it. Mix it up. Now let it sit for some time. Now as the tomatoes are soft enough, we can add smashed potatoes to it. I took 3 potatoes and boiled it and smashed it. Now mix it. Now put the cap on and let it be for 2 minutes. Start. Now the potato stuffing is ready, so you can take it off the stove. Now put it under fan and let it cool for some time. I've taken out the multigrain cooked rava into a cup and I've let the potato stuffing cool down for some time. Now I'm going to show you how to stuff the capsicum with these. First take some potato stuffing and stuff it at the bottom of the capsicum. And now take the multigrain cooked rava and stuff it. And make layers of multigrain rava and potato stuffing alternately. I have stuffed the multigrain rava which is cooked and potato curry in the capsicums. Now cover these with the lids which we have cut and now put the lids as I have shown here. Now take a non-stick utensil and light it and put it on a stove and take 1.5 spoons of oil and let it get heated up. And then put the capsicums in it and let it fry for some time. Now as I have kept the capsicums in the non-stick pan, now let them fry for some time and put on the lid. Now as you see, I have taken out the stuffed capsicum and placed them in a plate and garnished them with mint leaves. You can eat it as it is, and for people who don't like to eat it dry, can have it with some tomato curry as I have shown here, and or with some rasam or anything liquid which you like to eat with capsicum. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more videos upcoming. Thank you.